Close.
Yeah. Right, Aaron's going around the right. I'm right behind you. Because we've got two guys there.
I'm moving with you guys.
What's going on there? We've got enough people that way, we need to push on this way. Push on the right. I'm going a bit further down. Get ready. Arm out. Jack, ready? There we go. Medic. Medic.
Yeah, sure, see the lug rolls right there on your right. See his head.
Okay.
See him? He's the one who killed Aaron.
That down now.
Marshall down there.
Yeah, there's car logs right there, guys. There's two of them on there.
That saw move up. That's where the next one's going to be.
There's about three in that fucking hut right there.
Yeah, I know.
We should get right in the middle.
No, we've gone downhill now. Bunch it a little. Going along the line. Sit up on that.
I'm right behind you, mate. I see him there in that hut. Got one. One minute. Alright, I'm right down on the furthest right hooch, just coming up from the left, alright? Keep their attention. I'm in the hut, I'm in the hut. Yeah, I'm in the hut, on the left, right hand side of you.
Yellow player bleeding out!
Help me, I'm stuck. Get to me now, get to me now. I'm in that hut where they were. Jack! Medic! Medic! Jack, quick!
Where's the medic?
Right there.
Good man. We've got to stop making like this.
Don't see. Oh my god.
Jack. I took that hutch.
Good man.
Well, I took two. Just like, nope, too much fire.
Yeah, I tried taking that Collins in there by himself.
Go after him.
Which one?
The right one.
There's one or two guys in that hut, but they've probably got a few more in there now, right in front of us.
Yeah, they're in the middle and on the right hand side. There's a load of them on the right hand side.
Okay.
The hut on the right hand side, the first one down past there's a guy in there.
Any last one now pushing through? Yeah, well, for sure.
I was in that hutch, there was no one in there.
Yeah.
So the one literally just like to the 1 o'clock of that one.
Yeah.
There was a guy in there.
There's a guy in that one there.
Oh.
As well. Someone killed him, he's the guy that shot me in the hand. Alright.
Was he on the back of the hooch?
Yeah, this one, just
Yeah, that was me, I got him over there. Alright.
Really then, if he's out, we should push forward.
There's so much firepower down there, you can't even get your head up.
Alright, well
That's why I come and got you.
Alright, well let's just get another look.
Yeah? What, there?
They're flanking up that roof.
How many of our team we got at their room?
Straight up now. Straight road.
Oh no, they're all on the right hand side.
They're pushing them really heavily. They're all going to end up respawning, which we can. I might go and take a
Jack! Medic!
Hold my gun.
This one, yeah?
Nice patch. Which one? Guns and titties.
Guns and titties are the best thing ever.
No, but I know there is a guy in there.
There's a guy in the middle hut. Well, he ran to it anyway, I don't know if he's there now. Sean,
Yeah?
I can get him pinned down if you want to go get him.
Yeah, I get stuck up there though. I can't get medic.
Okay.
So I'm trying not to be too dangerous. This guy pushing up, I think.
Did you see him behind?
No, was he behind, was he?
He's behind the hut right in front of us.
He's got the angle, I haven't.
Yeah, there's at least one in there. I've seen 2 or 3 went past as well.
How much of an angle can you get up here?
Right of it is the head. You can't see shit from there, to be honest, mate. But for whatever reason, I haven't got shot from there yet. So they can't see you when you're looking up there.
There's someone out there with a very far gun, from his post on left hand side. You shoot him immediately.
Well, right now we're stopping them, aren't we? Oh shit.
If we get the ED guy, that'd be best. Also, as well, they're taking a helicopter and they're counting down. Run
Is that?
fucking button. Press it. The guy like over here for it.
You just reload one of my mags while I'm waiting.
They're moving right towards the white container. Moving all the way far right. Talon, watch out! We're coming to you! Yeah, he's it. Yeah, there's one like right behind that mark.